Hello viewers, today I have with me the Oppo Find N2 Flip, brand new phone. So this has recently been released on the 2nd of March 2023 and the box looks amazing, rather looks like a makeup kit. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so I've got a small seal here that I'm going to cut. Okay, here we go. So I've got the phone here. All right. Wow, looks great. So the amazing thing at first glance is you've got the front screen and then you have a quite large back screen. And I hope I can fold it like this. Yes, I can. Amazing. The phone is super compact, and when I say super compact, I really mean it. Okay. Two cameras at the back. Alright, let's see what else we've got. And then we have the charger, charging cable. And what's in this box? Okay, that's a great thing about Oppo. They always give you a phone case as well. So I've got a transparent phone case and probably a SIM ejector tool and some booklets inside. Yeah, so this is the phone case. It's in two parts probably because the phone can fold. And here we have a booklet, and I don't know what that thing is. Okay, it's a USB-C to USB adapter. So I'm guessing that you can put this into the phone and then you can attach a device that has a conventional USB 2 USB 3 connector. Alright, so that's all about the unboxing.